You're back with me again, Rusmix, and today we're gonna do unboxing videos.
Seriously? Why are you doing this?
Unboxing. A bunch of boxes.
Okay, I think you have to die now.
Waiting to be unboxed. How exciting is that? Why am I using only one hand? Because I have to hold my own camera.
He got no friends.
Unboxing video. Let's watch. Hey, now I can
Give me
use my
some
two
beat.
hand after readjusting the camera. How about that?
Yo bro, stop staring at me.
Let's unbox this thing. This looks like a box with a logo on it. Here's the front. Who cares, seriously?
I don't
Who
care.
cares? Let's open this. Let's see what it is. Probably something that have the picture inside, and probably it's the same thing inside. It's not funny. Alright, so we got a thingy here. Get it out. Next, we're gonna open another box, which is a bigger box. How exciting!
It's not
So
exciting at all.
What is inside the box?
Add some music before I go crazy.
For you who don't know how to open a box, this is how. Use your two hands. Alright, I'm gonna place it here. Use your two hands and just lift it up to the upward position. Alright, so what is inside the box? A thing with a button.
Okay guys, now let's visit our sponsor, a pillow. A dog pillow. Which is a dog. That is a pillow. Call now just for $29.99. Pillows not included, just the dog.
I'm your tech expert, so I'm gonna do review what's the difference between the
I'm a
two
chipmunk
box.
and
Now,
I
this
don't
is
care.
smaller and this is bigger. I'm your tech expert, Rusmix.
He's a dumbass. Don't
What
mess
is
with him.
inside this clear box? Seriously, let's open up.
Rubber ducks.
Next, we're gonna open another box. If you guys haven't learned how to open a box,
I don't. Show me one more time.
must be a
Pause
dumb
real quick, bro.
ass, just like me. Alright, I'm your tech expert, so I know what I'm doing. This is inside the box. Nice. Yeah. That's how you unbox a box.
Seriously, bro. What's your point?
Thanks for watching, and remember to
Leave a
leave
comment.
like, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Rusmix.